we've got a sequence that's defined by this recursion formula. It's recursive, right? Because the nth term is generated using the n minus first term, the one just before it. This term is the one just before this one. So let's generate the first 5 terms by replacing n with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So first of all, when n equals 1, well, this one's already given, right? When n is equal to 1, a sub 1 is, that's given to us, right? We have to start somewhere if it's given recursively. So we're going to start here at 4. What about when n is equal to 2? Now this is reasonable because look over here at this restriction. N has to be greater than 1, right? So n1 is already given. We're going to generate starting with numbers bigger than 1. So go to 2. So a sub 2 is, replace all of our n's with a 2. I've got that one. Let's go to this one, 2 minus 1. So this will be 2 times a sub 2 minus 1 minus a1. So this is 2 times, all right, a sub 1, right, 2 minus 1 is a 1, minus a sub 1. Well, 2a sub 1 minus a sub 1 is just a sub 1. And a sub 1, we just found a sub 1, right? Well, that was given to us. A sub 1 is 4. So a sub 2 is a 4. So that's interesting. The first 2 terms are exactly the same. Let's go get the third one. So when n is 3, we're going to get, all right, so I'm going to come up here to my formula and replace that n and that n with a 3. So we'll get a sub 3 equals 2 times a sub 3 minus 1 minus a sub 1. Make that look like a 1. So this is going to be 2a sub 2 minus a sub 1. Now these are different, right? This is the second term, this is the first term. They turn out to be the same in this case. But 2 times the second is 2 times 4 minus the first, which is a 4. Right, see where I got that? A sub 2 is 4. A sub 1, that was given as a 4. So what have we got here? We've got 8 minus 4, which is 4 again. So the first 3 terms are all 4s. Real interesting. So let's see what happens here at n equals 4. You got any ideas? We're probably thinking the same thing. A sub 4 is a sub 2 times a sub 4 minus 1 minus a sub 1. This is 2 times a sub 3 minus a1. This is 2 times, well, a sub 3, that was another 4, right? So we get a 4 here, minus a 4, there we are again. 8 minus 4, so we're at 4 once again for a sub 4. So a sub 5, I don't think this is going to surprise us. What are we going to get? A sub 2 times a sub 4 minus a1. That's going to be 2 times a sub 4 is another 4 minus 4. Again, we're at 8 minus 4, and we're at 4. So the first 5 terms here, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4.